Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Laksamana Raka Al-Bahri, you can call me Raka. On this occasion, I want to explain about passive voice. Passive voice, in addition of the type of positive, negative, and quiescent sentence, we also know the type of active sentence and passive sentence. In English, active sentence are called active voice, and passive sentence are called passive voice. Passive voice is a sentence that exchanges the position of an object with a subject. This means that anyone or anything who becomes an actor in the sentence is not a subject of the sentence. Example of passive voice sentence: the road was crossed by the chicken. In the example sentence passive voice above, who becomes an actor? The chicken is the perpetrator of the activity crossed. But the placement there is not a subject, but as an object. Meanwhile, the subject is precisely the root. The subject of the sentence is written before the verb, while the sentence object is written after the verb. The passive voice sentence pattern to be plus past participle or verb 3 is passive voice. Example sentence passive voice: the developers have renovated the building. 2. The building has been renovated the developers. The subject as well the perpetrator of the renovated. Activity in the first sentence is the developer. Then we turn the position of the subject into an object. Also, note the verb change with the sideline been, which is to be, which originally has renovated to has been renovated. Since to be is very diverse, let's take a look the various description of to be based on the tense used as follow. 1. Simple present tense. This tense has a formula subject plus is or am or are plus verb 3. Example sentence 1. He is beaten by all his competitor. 2. I am thrown to the pool last night. 2. Simple past. This tense has a formula subject plus was or were plus verb 3. Example sentence 1. She was already gone. 2. We were confused by the chancellor regulation that was announced on campus. 3. Simple future. This tense has a formula subject plus will be plus verb 3. Example sentence 1. It will be made into a nice sweater. 2. My office mate will be placed in another city. 4. Simple past future. This tense has a formula subject plus would plus sold plus be plus verb 3. Example sentence 1. I would be asked first in this job interview. 2. These clothes should be delivered on time to their owner. 5. Present continuous. In this tense, you can form sentence with formula subject plus is or am or are plus being plus verb 3. Example sentence 1. The task is being done by herself. 2. The trophy is being won by our team. 6. Past continuous. The formula is subject plus was or were plus being plus verb 3. Example sentence 1. The trees were being cut every day. 2. She was being lifted by a police officer. 7. Future continuous. The formula used in this tense is subject plus will be plus verb 3. Example sentence 1. This room will be clean at the moment. 2. My favorite series will be released next summer. 8. Past future continuous. The formula used in this tense is subject plus would or should plus be plus verb 3. Example sentence 1. You should be promoted as a manager. 2. The public pool should be cleaned daily in order to spare the virus. 9. Present perfect continuous. This tense has the formula subject plus have or has plus been plus verb 3. Example sentence 1. He has been studying in the library for 3 hours. 2. He has been reading the book for 2 hours. 10. Past perfect continuous. This tense has the formula subject plus had plus been plus verb 3. Example sentence 1. The children had been educated well by their mother. 2. I had been deceived so many times when I was with him. 11. Future perfect continuous. This tense has the formula subject plus would plus have plus been plus verb 3. Example sentence 1. In November, I will have been working at my company for 3 years. 12. Past future perfect continuous. This tense has the formula subject plus would or should plus have plus been plus verb 3. Example sentence 1. She should have been married to a doctor. 2. The fire would have been gone if the firefighter come on time. As a comparison between an active sentence and passive sentence, consider the following example. Present simple. Active, I watch a movie. Passive, a movie is watched. Present continuous. Active, I am watching a movie. Passive, a movie is being watched. Past simple. Active, I watch a movie. Passive, a movie was watched. Past continuous. Active, I was watching a movie. Passive, a movie was being watched. Present perfect. Active, I have watched a movie. Passive, a movie has been watched. Past perfect. Active, I had watched a movie. Passive, a movie had been watched. Future simple. Active, I will watch a movie. Passive, a movie will be watched. Passive voice function. Speaking of function, passive sentence have several files. Use that you need to know as follow. 1. Explaining the event that the culprit does not know. 2. Explaining the event when threat is more important than the perpetrator. 3. Make sentence more varied. Okay, that's all the discussion for me. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.